Hey, so we have Carol here with us today. Carol, oh my God, so freaking incredible and excited for you. Really just to discuss about your most recent win, which is your first four-figure investment sale, which is mind-blowing, mind-blowing. So look, I'm going to hand it over to you. Tell me more about that. How do you feel about that? Just, yeah, fill me in.
The guy was a warm client, and I've been dealing with clients for quite a long time now. And so he was coming for a 30-minute free consultation with me, and he came along and he went away with some products to help him, which was great because I thought, right, he's really invested in this, and that was fine. So he started on that, and he wanted to come back for another session, and he was interested in the work that I did. So I then I joined COA, and I started to listen to all the things, all the trainings, and the training came when it was saying that you've got to have 1,500 as your minimum. And I
Mm,
thought, the hell do I even get near to 1,500? Because that's just not even on my wavelength at the moment. So I went to bed and I started to think about this. I thought, well, how can I actually do this and feel that it's right? So,
mm,
and I woke up the next morning with the idea in my head how I could actually come up with a package that was that I would feel comfortable with, and I knew that my clients were going to get value for money. And the other thing was that it would secure interest for them, because quite a few of my clients would start the program and then leave partway through. And there's lots of reasons for that, but basically this is where I was heading, and it was down to the structure and the coaching that it made me start to think about this, and that I had to tie people in for the 3 month period, as opposed to just saying, right, come back and then come back in and so on. And so
mm.
that's what I did. And so when he came back, he phoned me up and he said, I've got 5 minutes. Can we chat about when I can book you in for another session? And I said, oh, I think I need more than 5 minutes, because I've been thinking about you, and I've got something I want to talk to you about. And so he laughed, and then we made an appointment, and it was the other Monday, and he came, and half an hour later he said, yeah, I really want to do this. So, and he was going to sign up for it. So that was how it happened. And
That's
in
the
my heart, I kind of just knew he was so keen, because we talk in this COA about the pain point, and it was well
mm,
and truly there. I think for me, it was a confidence in using the right language, looking at the closer program that you offer and all that. That's just not me. It's not in my realm. It's not my MO, if you like. And so learning all that in the space of literally over a week, 10 days, and I just really crammed it in, was listening to lots of recordings all the times. I think that's what did it. And then the 2 hour breakout session, a recording, a bonus session from Ed, sort of breaking down somebody's talk, really made me listen to what they were saying and thinking about it before anybody was saying anything. So what do I think about that? Can I imagine myself saying that? How would I say it differently so that I was comfortable with it, using my words and sort of in my situation here? And so that's what I did. And that was 2 hours. And then the Monday was the next day. And I just went in, and he sat down, and half an hour later, he was okay. It's done.
It's done.
That's it.
Fantastic, fantastic, right? So you're freaking incredible for yourself, and just considering everything that whole process took you through. I mean, honestly, where were you before then joining COA?
Well, that was my issue, because I've been, since January, I've been saying to myself, I have got to find something different. I've
Mm,
got to do something different to get different results. And I knew what I wanted. I tried automation courses. I've got plenty of courses I've written, automated them. They're just not they're not reaching the right people. And I have not got a clue on marketing and sales.
mm,
And I don't do Facebook or Instagram or anything like that. For me, it's word of mouth, which is incredibly slow. But it's good, because most people that come to me from word of mouth usually want to take it up, and that's the point, really, for me.
yeah.
Yeah, before, where was I at? Just not making enough money, not actually getting enough clients in, and yeah, not knowing how to.
Mm,
So just really needing something. And when I looked at this program, In fact, I didn't ask for this program, I don't think. I don't remember clicking on the page, but I suddenly got these phone calls and these messages. And then, yeah, before you knew it, I was signing up. So,
Amazing, incredible, incredible. And so for yourself then, Carol, what's been the most enjoyable part of working with COA so far? You know, some of our clients say that it's the course module set out so that you go through it step by step. Some people say it's the support that we're here for you every single step of the way, you know, week to week, whether in the group or in the consultation clinics. Or maybe perhaps it's the fact that, you know, the assets themselves. So as you go through this, the closer process, as an example that you've been through now, the templates, funnels, etc. Like, what has been the most enjoyable for you, would you say?
the most enjoyable is the clinics, I have to say, because you don't just go on there for yourself. Well, I don't. I go on there to learn from other people, what they say, listen to their questions, think how I would answer it before you do, although that's not very easy to do because you're straight in there. But I mean, take, for instance, the session yesterday, I wrote 3 pages just on notes of other people's questions, because that's how you learn. You learn about different situations. You see, does that a situation apply to you? Not necessarily, but could it? And then you work in how you would answer it. And so I like those a lot. I love the fact that I'm accountable every week, because I'm used to having an accountability partner. So that's great. And yeah, the courses are hard, I think. It's hard for me because I'm not in that environment. I've never been in that environment. So everything is new, not just one little thing. It's all new to me. And I'm enjoying the challenge. So, and I do a lot by audio anyway. So when I'm just doing something, I will have audios repeated in the background, just saying, you know, just reaffirming what I know. The biggest change for me, literally in a week, was mindset.
Gotcha.
I couldn't believe how I changed in the way I was thinking, which is why I was able to do that, what I did on the Monday.
Yeah.
Really,
Yeah,
it is a change of mindset. Totally.
Fantastic. Incredible. Incredible, Carol. And so for yourself then, what would you say to someone who was thinking about joining COA?
Well, I already did talk to about half a dozen of my friends at a conference the other weekend, because they could see that I was buzzing.
Yeah.
And I'd already decided on the Monday that the guy that was coming to see me was going to sign up. So, and I just said, I can't wait for Monday, because I just know, I feel it in my bones. I felt from him for what his needs were. I know it's exactly right for him, and it's just going to happen. And so, yeah, that's, I just, you know, you lead by example.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay.
And they
Fantastic.
could see the change in me over the
Yeah.
weekend. We had the conference. So yeah, it's great.
Brilliant. Brilliant. So yeah, look, Carol, you know, thank you so much for being with us here today. And you know, definitely a lot more good things to come for sure. We're now going to start making sure that you get that system up and running, leads flowing in, more sales. So I'm really excited for your journey. Really, really super pumped for your journey. So appreciate you for being here. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you.